Welcome to this FX Empire review of OctaFX, a broker which was founded in 2011 and offers Forex ECN trading as well as CFD trading on indices, metals and cryptocurrencies across the MetaTrader and CTrader suite of trading platforms. Here we have the OctaFX.com homepage, which provides a variety of details for the aspiring trader. We have all the awards here at the bottom, as well as different tabs here which detail the different levels of trading accounts, the different assets that can be traded, the different trading platforms, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and CTrader across web, desktop, Android and iOS, as well as referral program bonuses and promotional offers, and an analysis and education section and social trading services. If we scroll to the bottom and through the website, we can actually see that the website is owned by a group of companies at the bottom here. OctaFX itself is actually regulated and governed by the law of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, as we can see in the custody agreement under section 1.2. Users can also choose to trade from the octafx.eu website, which is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission via the name Octa Markets Cyprus Limited. As we can see here on the CySec register, octafx.eu is an approved domain. OctaFX.com provide three different types of trading accounts. We have Micro, Pro and ECN. And these are designed for a variety of different traders. As you can see here, the Micro account on the MetaTrader 4 platform is designed for novice traders. The Pro account for MetaTrader 5 trading is recommended for experienced traders, and the ECN account is recommended for the progressive trader, which is used on the CTrader platform. As we can see here, if we scroll down, it gives us a bit of information in regards to these three different trading accounts. We can see here on the MetaTrader 4, you can choose between floating spreads starting at 0.4 pips or fixed spreads starting at 2 pips with no commission. We can also see on the Pro account, we can have floating spreads which start at just 0.2 pips with no commission as well. And the ECN account, where floating spreads start from 0 pips, but it is commission based. We can also see a lot more information in regards to the minimum deposit for each of these accounts, from $100 for the Micro and ECN account and $500 minimum for the Pro account, as well as the different types of instruments that are available across the different types of accounts in different types of trading platforms. And most importantly here as well, we've got the leverage information. So for the Micro account, we can access 500 to 1 leverage for currencies, 200 to 1 leverage on the Pro account, and 500 to 1 for currencies on the ECN account. It also further explains a lot more in regards to the different comparisons between the three different types of trading accounts that are on offer from OctaFX.com. For more information on spreads, we will be looking at the OctaFX trading platform a little bit later on, but there is also a part of their website which shows the different spreads and conditions for each of the accounts. So for example, the CTrader here, which is an ECN account, we can actually see the minimum spread here, or the typical spread on euro dollar. So the typical spread there, 0.7, minimum spread 0.4, current spread right now is 1.1. We can also see the trading commissions as well with the CTrader account, which is 0.03 per US dollar per 0.01 lot of trading. We also have different swap values here as well and the weekly rollover information. So traders can actually scroll through this information. You can see the different spreads that are on offer right now, but also the average spreads, the typical spreads and the minimum spreads. So you can look at this for each of the accounts. At MetaTrader 5, for example, the current spread there ranging between 1.1 pip there on the euro dollar. Again, no commission trading here, and of course the swap information and the 3-day fee information here as well. Traders can scroll down on this particular account because there are more assets that you can trade with this MetaTrader 5 Pro account, including some commodities and some indices here at the bottom, which show that, like the FTSE 100, for example, with a 2.7 to 3.1 spread right now on that. So you can also look at the MetaTrader 4 Micro account, and that again gives more information on the current spread, typical spread, and minimum spread. as well as the swap costs for holding positions overnight. Opening an account is fairly easy with OctaFX. You can simply go to the home page and click on Open Trading Account, or there will be a function to open here if you're not already logged in. And this will open into a page where you can simply put in your name and email and then follow through the prompts in opening up a trading account with OctaFX. And pretty simple, once you've actually logged in, you'll be shown to your secure client area where you can withdraw funds, deposit funds. You can open up different types of trading accounts. You can also see what type of contests they have available, and also access the copy trading services. From this place, traders can access the different trading platforms. You can simply click trading. You can choose to trade in the web browser or download a desktop platform, or also download the Android or iPhone app, depending on which platform you're looking to trade. So let's have a look at trading web here on the MetaTrader 5 platform. So we can actually see here that we have an open account here. This is on the web browser platform. As soon as you open it, it opens up onto the chart, and the chart gives us good functionality. We can just right click and we have all these options. So we have one-click trading facilities here on the left-hand side. We can also, which is turned on, we can also select new order here. We can look at depth of market, which is one of the benefits of trading with MetaTrader 5. The market chart formations and other tools there. So on the left hand side, we can see the different markets that are available to trade with OctaFX, and we can see here euro dollar, which is the current chart selected. So you can see here euro dollar spread just around a pip. For pound against US dollar, we can actually just left click on the symbol or the currency pair, left click, hold down and release it onto the chart, and this will open up a new chart of the currency we're looking at, which in this case is pound against the US dollar, and we can see again about a pip, between 1 to 2 pip spread there on pound against the USD. We can change different time frames here as well, so the 4-hour charts we can look at. We can also look at the daily charts as well. If you want to look at more markets, we can also just right click on these symbols. We can either click show all, or you can click on the symbol function and you can start to see the different markets available. So we've got the Forex majors already, because you can see here these symbols are highlighted in gold. We can see Forex extended, so we haven't got all of those symbols there, such as New Zealand yen, CAD Swiss and so on. So to add that, you can simply click on that and click on show, and then that will just drop it there on the left hand side on the bottom of the market watch window, the New Zealand yen. We also have the metals market, energy markets, indices as well, so all the most popular indexes there, FTSE 100, CAC 40, DAX 30 and so on, as well as some cryptocurrency markets as well. So a wide range of markets are available on this particular platform, and it does differ depending on the platform and the account type. If you click show all, you can see all the markets available there on the left hand side. To place a trade on the platform, you've got one-click trading options available here, so you can simply click buy. And if you read the disclaimer and accept the terms and conditions for one-click trading, you can simply select I accept these terms and conditions and press OK. And then once we go in, you can see instantly there we've just gone in long on the pound against the USD. Okay, so we can see that there is a trade here. You can see this line going through the chart. If you want to zoom in, you can see the plus and the minus button here. So we press the plus button and we can zoom into the markets a little bit more, and we can actually see our trade here. So let's go down to the lower time frames, like the 15-minute chart. So here's our buy trade that we entered via the one click. So to put a stop loss in, there's a variety of ways to do that. You can simply left click, hold down and drag, and you can see here this will put a stop loss in place. Horizontal line, left click, hold down and just drag it up to wherever your target price is. So now we can actually see we have our entry price here, our target and our stop loss. And we can actually see that's filled in, stop loss and take profit. To close a trade, you can simply just right click on it and close position. And then select close here. And that is done pretty quickly. To short a market, we can simply click sell here. And straight away, we're in a short position. And to add a stop loss and take profit in, we can either right click on the order, select modify and put in our stop loss and take profit levels, or we can left click and hold down on the entry level and drag it up to put a stop loss in because we are shorting the market. And we can also left click and hold down on the entry price and drag it down for a target level because again we are shorting this particular market. We can also close the order just by selecting the order here, right click and close position and select close here. So pretty simple. We also have a wide variety of indicators that traders can use. So on the top left here, you can see insert indicators. You've got average true range, the awesome oscillator. We've also got Bollinger Bands, moving averages. We also have MACD, momentum, relative strength index, stochastic oscillator, as well as volume indicators, Bill William indicators as well. There's also different line tools there and different chart pattern tools, as well as advanced tools like Gann lines and Fibonacci levels and Elliott wave drawings. So some good functionality there. This is on a web-based platform of OctaFX. Let's jump over and look at their mobile trading platform.
So here we have the OctaFX mobile trading app via MetaTrader. As you can see here on the home screen, there's a variety of options including quotes, charts, trade, history, mailbox, news and economic calendar. So here's the news section. Traders can also access quotes directly from the platform. So here euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen. People can also access other markets by clicking the plus button, and you've got indices here. And you also have cryptocurrency there as well. You can also access the charts by clicking the three candlesticks at the bottom. And you can see here we have a chart, and traders can either access the pointer to give price levels on certain dates and times at the bottom with price and exchange rate on the right hand side. Traders can also add in different indicators. So here we can add in a hold down and select modify order, and then you can just add it in a target level, which is the green line on that chart there. You can also add in a stop loss, which is the red line on the chart. And once it's actually at the level, so you can see here stop loss and take profit must differ from market by at least 20 pips. Once that's done, we can click modify, and that's already done. And actually, if we click on the pound against USD, we can see the stop loss and take profit is attached. To close that order, we can simply hold down and click close order. And we can close with a loss here of 20, and it's done. So very quick, very easy. We can also go back into the chart here, and we can access the trading ticket, and we can actually short this time. Only this time we can add in a target level. So our target is already in place when we click sell at market. We can also put a stop loss in. So that's the red line at the bottom. You can also access different types of orders. I've just selected market execution. You've got buy limit, sell limit, buy stop. But once you've got your target and stop loss in, we can click sell market. So that order is done. And actually you can see here that pound order is actually here with a stop loss and take profit already attached to it. So to close this, we can just hold down on this position and this menu will pop up and we can select close order. And we can close this. And let's say this trade here as well. We can just hold down, close order, and the order is closed. To look at your different trading activity, you can click the fourth tab in, and this will detail your profit, your balance, and the different trading activity that has occurred on your particular mobile trading account.
If you need any help or assistance, traders can actually go to the OctaFX.com website, and right at the bottom you can select the Contact Us tab, and this will open up the Contact Us page, and you can actually access customer service 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. And the fastest way is to start the live chat option, but you can also call with the UK, Hong Kong, Indonesia numbers, as well as ask questions via WhatsApp. Here are the office hours for the different departments and the correspondence address, as well as the social icons and a customer support ticket. For traders that are looking for more information in regards to market analysis and support in actually trading, then they can go to the analysis and education section, which provides a lot of tools such as trading calculators, profit calculators, auto chartists as well. You also have a lot of different analytics information. So if we click on market information, this opens up a trader's tools website, which gives us a lot of information in regards to the next important news events, next non-farm payroll release, as well as the different holidays and different Forex news. And traders can go to the economic calendar here. We can also click on the profit calculator. We can also look at a trading calculator here as well. So lots of key information there available for traders. There's also an education section where traders can look at video tutorials, instructions, and a frequently asked questions section, as well as access copy trading services on the next tab on the homepage. So that is the review of OctaFX.com. We hope you found this of value and wish you all